Alright everybody, so what is up? This is our first video covering products, and today we are going to be talking about Opus clips. Their domain is opus.pro right here. Now let's dive in, but before we do that, we're going to talk about a few things which this video is going to cover. What is this? What problem does it solve? Who is this for? And why should you not use it? It's not negative, but if it doesn't solve your problem, you don't need to use it. So who needs to use it and who doesn't need to use it? Let's start. So what is Opus.clips? Opus.clips basically takes one long form video and takes multiple snippets of it, short form videos of it, so that you can post it onto many different platforms wherever your social presence is, gather more audience, get more views, and potentially grow your business. Isn't that what social media is all about? Isn't this what organic media is all about? This tool, which is AI, just helps us to amplify our reach. Now, before this, people were editing manually. On their own website, they say that people were taking about 40 to 50 minutes. Those seasoned veterans of editing were taking 40 to 50 minutes to manually edit videos in formats like this. Those insanely good videos. Just show you an example right here. Videos which people really like viewing. You see this? Close-ups on the character, captions on the screen, with clips going on as well, with motion tracking and everything. I've done that as well, and it basically takes a lot of time. It's not my cup of tea. It essentially is what solves all of this. So back to it. You just tell what you want out of it, and it just vertically makes it happen. Quick note, it works essentially good for English. On their own website, it says that you can read about it as well. I'll put a link to it in the description as well. If you are talking in languages which aren't supported, then you're not supported. But if your content is in English, it's insanely good. So multimodal AI under the hood, blah blah blah, whatever I said just before. For reference, it just means this. You see that both of these people are getting tracked, and it is actually right here. It's actually tracking the character which you want to show in the video. This is what AI is all about, multimodal AI. Essentially, this is what it means. It just makes your work really easier for you in really simple terms. Clip anything. Like we just saw, if you have a long form video and the AI tries to understand your video, it takes every single concept there is about the video, what is being said, where is it being said, and what visual clip is it associated with. So what this essentially does is, if you just explain to it like I'm reading on what is on the screen right now, find the part where we talk about the dogs, it will go there, it will clip that part, and it will generate a clip for you which you can just post anywhere else. And this is the best part of all this. This is like working with a teammate, sort of what we call working as a super team, fancier word for you and an AI working together. So many people are using it right now. You can see all of this right here, all of these stations, all of these YouTubers. If I just zoom in, Mark, Robert, Logan Paul, Jenny O's, if I can just show you right here, where? Yeah, there you go. So many people are using it right now. Some really good companies as well. But since we're doing YouTube, we're going to be talking about those YouTubers out there. These guys are really killing it on their short form content, and now you know why. So back to it. Where were we? Not pricing. Yep, this 16 million plus creators, 1 billion plus views, blah blah blah. Just try it out. So the pricing, this is something which I really like about this platform. Their pricing is super clear. Their tiers are really specific, not like those other free tier programs, but it's really cool. If I just put it into words, it's like using your tokens appropriately. 1 credit, 1 minute video, simple usage, and all of these. Right now I'm not using it. I did try using it, but the format was not relevant for me at that time because I wasn't making that much long form content. But what I'm doing right now, it might need to be clipped, and this is what we're going to use later on to clip our own videos as well. You might see it because we're going to be using the free tier. There would be a little watermark. It's this right here, a watermark. There would be a little watermark on our video so you can see or know that we're using OpusClips. Does it create any problems? Of course it does. This is AI and it is really new right now. It's not the most refined tech out there. It has come a lot of places. It's traveled a lot. It's become so much better, and I believe it will become better as well later on. But right now, sometimes it does create problems. Not all the time. It's like about 0.09% or something like that. Let's just call it 0.01%. Minute chances of it giving something wrong, but it's not entirely wrong. It just means that what you described to it was not factually correct. The verdict, okay, if you have long form content and you only do long form videos, like for example, if you're a business owner, a solo business operator or someone like that, let's just take somebody who's running a donut stand or a hot dog cart and they're making long form videos on YouTube. Basically what these people do is they stream their videos. Can they get short form content out of it? Yes. Do they need to use this? Of course. Should they use it? Absolutely. But if you're not making long form content and you're only making short form clip, I'm not really sure if this is the format for you. And also, if you're not trying to grow your media side of your business, then this is not for you. Just skip this. It's just a basic good AI tool to know about, nothing else. Okay, so in my own company, this is the AI stack I use. These empty ones are places which we will fill up later on as well. But you can see right here that OpusClip has made it into our own stack for clipping on our media side as well, inshallah. Okay, so give your workflow the VIP treatment, Opus Pro. If you're wondering, this is a carousel. I made this. It is also available on my LinkedIn as well. I'll just show you. I won't show you that. I'll just link it in the description and you can go there. T3M, you can search it up, T3M Media. We only do carousels right there, and this is a bit for everybody else. What we do, I'll just put it here, and then if somebody wants to contact me, you can contact that. But anyways, apart from that, as a conclusion, this tool is really cool. I did some more research on it and I really like where this is headed. I mean, I'm not the best editor out there. You can see right here, I like more raw form content, like what YouTube is all about anyways, like the raw form content. I don't like editing that much. It just takes up too much of my time. It's not my cup of tea, like I said before. So what you do is you just do this, auto import, auto edit, auto scheduling. If you are someone who does TikTok, I believe TikTok introduced a feature just like this. I don't actually remember the name, but this is just a breakdown of what it does. You upload a video, it suggests some certain clips from it. You just take those clips, post them. Whoa, you did something great. You got many different types of content from one single clip. Bravo. So this is how it works. You can set things up yourself as well. Oh yeah, and they also have branding offers as well. You can actually set up your own branding. But by the way, this is really cool. I really like this. Logo, intro, video alert, MPV, new product launch. This is actually pretty great. I really love watching this guy, Lewis Holmes. Lewis. Let's just call him Lewis. Okay, so you've seen everything here. OpusClip captions. This is something new. Ooh. Okay, they also made it on Product Hunt. Anyways, let's just cut the video short right here, and let's just say more videos are coming out today as well. We are trying to grow our media presence. We're going to be covering AI, and we're going to be targeting solo operators, solopreneurs, business operators who are running a really tight team of a few people to run their business, and just individuals want to know more about AI and news. Personally, I'm more on the solo side of things, or on the small team side. So everything I like will be relevant to you as well, and we'll be sharing it here. Adios.